complete guide for using Telegram Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Play Store and then search for Telegram. After that, install it. After installing, set up your account by using your phone number. Then you will land in this interface. After that, all you have to do is add your contacts and see who uses Telegram. Now you will be able to call them, text them, send them videos, photos, and you can also create groups like this and use it. Basically, this is like WhatsApp but a different app. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.